So beautiful. That's actually the second tallest building in the world. So
You can see that
Malaysian flag. Yes. So after you've been in Malaysia for so many days, how do you feel being in Malaysia?
this is something really great, awesome. We are right now in Medak Square.
Yes, we are in the Merdeka Square. Merdeka 118. You can see the view over here. See the view over here.
Okay.
Look at the view. It's so beautiful. That's actually the second tallest building in the world. So,
Yeah, of course.
yes, second tallest building in the world.
Okay.
It was invented a few weeks ago. So, how do you think of the building?
It is really big. It's outstanding. It's stunning, solid, rock solid. And one more thing, can tell my viewers, you can see that
Malaysian flag.
national flag is flying up in the sky.
It consists of a moon and a star with stripes of red and white.
Okay. Now must go to the enter this Medak Square.
Merdeka Square.
Medak Square. Sorry, I can't Medak Square. Medak Square.
Merdeka Square.
And you can see there are a lot of greens there and all, and we can see how beautiful the screen, the entire screens are there, and a lot of people are standing and enjoying the entire evening. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Today is the Sunday evening, today is Sunday evening, and we can see many people are there.
Yeah.
Yes.
The name of this place is Merdeka Square.
Okay.
But then the second tallest building in the world is actually called the Merdeka 118.
Okay.
That is
Yes. And you can see this building is like, that government building. This
Yes.
is the government building.
These are all Muslim buildings, mosques. They're all mosques. Look at this nice little beautiful and pretty view.
Pretty view. And second thing is like when their Independence Day, they celebrate also in this place. They celebrate.
Yes, they do because they host the national Malaysian flag up the sky,
Okay.
and then they celebrate it on 31st of August to celebrate on 31st of August.
Yeah, of course. And right now the time is 5:30.
No, it's going to be 7.
7 o'clock. Can see the light, because in Malaysia, you can't find the light will be there late in the evening.
Yes.
So people can enjoy the entire there, your evenings, and you can see the many people. I can see the many people. There is some like a festival is going on. Some kind of stall. A lot of stalls are there, and
Many people over
yeah, so many people are there. Let's go towards there and let's see.
Okay.
I mean, what is happening over there, and you can see the grass is superbly
Look
lush
how green
green.
it is.
How green it
Look
is,
how green it is.
and today is a very hot day, and we are really, I like enjoying today evening. There are a lot of beautiful, pleasant air. It is refreshing, both of us.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this screen is there. I think this is something called a Singa Shen. What's it? Shayaningi?
What?
What is the
Oh,
written there?
Yeah.
This is something. Yeah, of
Yeah.
course. Yeah.
So over there is the national symbol of Malaysia, as you can see.
Okay. And this is something is going on over there actually. What is this? I mean, every day the festival is there, something like that, or it is.
Actually not every day, because today is just a Sunday. So every Sunday they just do this. There are a lot of activities over here on the ground. Look how greenery it looks.
And you can see a lot of kids plays there, that section.
Yeah,
You
look.
can see, yeah,
Look, there's even whatever. I don't really know
that is
what
a
it's called.
Tataran Merdeka. That what is Merdeka Square, right?
Yes.
Of course, of course. And up in the next, you can find out. This is Dewan
This is the UOB office you see up there in the right, middle
Okay.
right.
Okay.
So in this UOB office,
Okay.
many people work and many people work in the UOB office that stay in my condominium.
Okay. What is the national flower of Malaysia?
It's actually a daisy.
Okay, a red color.
Yeah.
I can see a big light post. That is a red. Can you see this?
Yes.
That is, they say this is a national flower of
Yes. Of Malaysia.
Malaysia. Okay. Why they say Malaysia is truly Asia?
What?
They say Malaysia is truly Asia. What is specialty in Malaysia?
It's truly Asia because in Malaysia, they call some places as Little India, and so much more.
Of course, because you know, in
Because it's so beautiful with lightings and all restaurants out of
Okay.
Asia.
okay. Actually, why they say truly Asia means everything, all part of like Asia,
Yes.
China, India, Pakistan, Malaysia, what are the things? Everything comes together in a one place called Malaysia. You can find the many Asian people who are come over here, and they stay over here,
Yeah.
and they really live very happily. They stay here. They say is a hub of entire Asia. That's
Because they think that their place are as beautiful as Malaysia. Because Malaysia is filled with joy and beautiness and light.
okay, fine.
So in the Malaysian national flag, it represents truth,
Okay,
rightnesses,
okay.
truth, rightnesses, love, and all obedience, and never disobey everyone. Always be kind to each other. That represents the Malaysian national flag.
This is extremely delighted. I can see that you are such a small and young, but you really value the, the importance of the national flag of Malaysia.
Yes. So actually, the national fruit or vegetable of Malaysia is actually a durian. It tastes good, but then smells bad.
Oh, why do you see that since more bad? So which the fruit you like most?
In Malaysia,
Anything? Which fruit you like?
mango, of course, mango. I
From
love-
India.
Yes.
Yes. So we like an Indian mango,
Yes. Alfonso.
Alfonso. And also, I also yesterday in my place I got some mango from also Malaysia. They're also equally delicious.
Yes, they are.
Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. So after this, we couldn't go, dear viewers.
Yes.
Both of us went to the KL Tower, but today Sunday, all ticket has been sold out.
Yes.
We'll try by next day tomorrow.
And by the way, we went to the Petronas Twin Tower, not KL Tower.
Okay, Petros Tower, yes, right. And the tickets are full.
And
And-
sorry we didn't we didn't film the rest of the video. Sorry about that.
Okay.
We were embarrassed to make the video.
So, dear viewers, after this we'll go to the evening of garden park near Petronas Tower. We'll go to Petronas Tower in the evening
Yes.
time.
Yes.
We'll take some. We'll meet some, some friends over there.
Yes.
And then we'll update you entire thing. How is the situation, the place, everything in the park near Petronas Tower.
Yeah.
Till then, bye bye. Stay tuned.
And wait, I wanted to say one more thing about Malaysia. Malaysia has 76% Malaysians actually there's more Malaysians than Tamilians, but then I actually see more Tamilians than Malaysians because I've always been in KL since when I was born. I've never went to Selangor before, so I never knew this.
That's true, that's true.
Yes.
So if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. We'll posting you the lot of interesting videos Malaysia in coming days. Stay tuned. Bye bye.